So if you've been watching my videos, and you know I've been making a lot of delicious nut milks, everything from strawberry to omega to blueberry, on and on. But I have a lot of followers who are sensitive to nuts, so I try to do some other varieties at times. Now, I've done a couple of seed milks before, and that's exactly what I'm doing today. I'm using 3 of the healthiest seeds there are: pumpkin, sunflower, and the super health promoting hemp seeds. Now I'm going to take these seeds and combine them in my machine, add a little water, and make a delicious, healthy milk, much better than what you get in the store. No gums, no preservatives, no oil, no salt, no sugar, no synthetic vitamins, just clean, health promoting milk. Now I've been soaking my sunflower seeds and my pumpkin seeds. I'm going to strain those, and then once they're strained, I'm going to add them with the hemp seeds into the machine and make this milk. Let's get it started. Okay, so this process is very straightforward. I'm just going to strain my 3 seeds, get the water out, and then I'm going to put all 3 into the juicer and then hit the button and let the machine do the rest. Now keep in mind, you could do this in a high-powered blender, but it won't be quite as smooth as it will using my juicer. And just like that, homemade milk without the junk.